Greetings, dear learners. Welcome to a blessed day of learning. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we delve into the wonderful world of carpentry and explore the various types of woods. Your safety is paramount, so remember to take all necessary precautions while working with tools and materials. May God bless you and keep you safe always as you pursue your passion for carpentry. Join me on the Enlightening Teacher Lumabon YouTube channel, where we'll share knowledge, skills, and joy together. Let's make this learning experience enjoyable and enriching. Happy watching.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Carpentry. Art and manner of cutting, forming, and joining wood parts together. Sining at paraan ng pagputol, pagbubuo, at pagsasama-sama ng mga bahagi ng kahoy. Involves shaping and assembling structural woodwork. Nagsasangkot ng paghubog at pag-assemble ng mga istrukturang gawa sa kahoy. Carpenter builder or skilled craftsman who performs carpentry works. Carpenter tagabuo o bihasang manggagawa na nagsasagawa ng mga gawaing karpintero. Woodworking skills developed in terms of measuring, cutting, framing, joining, and finishing wood materials. Woodworking mga kasanayang binuo sa mga tuntunin ng pagsukat, pagputol, pagframe, pagsali, at pagtatapos ng mga materyales sa kahoy. Types of woods. Mga uri ng kahoy. 1. Lumber. Tabla. Woods that came from trees, either softwood or hardwood. Mga kahoy na nagmula sa mga puno, softwood man o hardwood. Softwood called conifers because many of them bear cones. Malambot na kahoy tinatawag na conifer dahil marami sa kanila ang may cone. Hardwood comes from broadleaf, deciduous, trees. Matigas na kahoy galing sa malalapad na dahon, nangungulag, na mga puno. 2. Yard lumber. Mga kahoy sa bakuran. Prepared lumber for a variety of uses. Inihanda ang tabla para sa iba't ibang gamit. Select grade lumber of good appearance that can take different finishes such as stain, paint, and enamel. Pumili ng grado kahoy na may magandang hitsura na maaaring tumagal ng iba't ibang mga finish tulad ng mantsa, pintura, at enamel. Common grade suitable for rough carpentry. It is not of finishing quality, examples coco lumber. Karaniwang grado angkop para sa magaspang na karpintero. Ito ay wala sa kalidad ng pagtatapos, mga halimbawa ng coco lumber. Tatlo. Manufactured wood. Ginawang kahoy. Also called man-made wood, this is timber sheets that are produced by gluing wood layers or wood fibers together. Tinatawag din na gawa ng tao na kahoy, ito ay mga timber sheet na ginawa sa pamamagitan ng pagdikit ng mga layer ng kahoy o mga hibla ng kahoy na magkasama. Wood veneer thin slices of wood. Wood veneer manipis na hiwa ng kahoy. Plywood a sheet material from thin layers or plies of wood veneer. Plywood isang sheet na material mula sa manipis na mga layer o plies ng wood veneer. Pressed wood or fiber wood also called medium density fiber, MDF, made from wood chips. Pinindot na kahoy o fiber wood tinatawag ding medium density fiber, MDF, na gawa sa wood chips. Particle board also known as low density fiber, LDF, or chipboard. It's cheaper, denser, and more uniform than conventional wood and plywood. Particle board kilala rin bilang low density fiber, LDF, o chipboard. Ito ay mas mura, mas siksik, at mas pare-pareho kaysa sa karaniwang kahoy at plywood. Laminated wood logs are processed by sawmilling and drying. Laminated wood ang mga troso ay pinoproseso sa pamamagitan ng paglalagari at pagpapatuyo. Defects of woods. Mga depekto ng kahoy. Not branch or limb has been exposed. Not nalantad ang sanga o paa. Check small crack or split. Suriin maliit na bitak o hati. Split break or a big crack in the board. Split break o isang malaking crack sa board. Decay rotting of wood. Pagkabulok ng kahoy. Stain discoloration. Mantsa pagkulay ng kulay. Wane lack of wood on the face of the piece. Wane kakulangan ng kahoy sa mukha ng piraso. Warp crack, bow, cup, wind, twist, or any combination of this. Warp crack, bow, cup, wind, twist, o anumang kombinasyon nito. Lumbers are sold following the description. Ang mga tabla ay ibinibenta ayon sa paglalarawan. Surface two sides or S2S planed or smooth on two sides. Naka-surface sa dalawang gilid o S2S planado o makinis sa dalawang gilid. Surface four sides or S4S planed or smooth on four sides. Naka-surface sa apat na gilid o S4S planado o makinis sa apat na gilid. Surfaced in two sides and one edge or S3S board has been surfaced S2S first, then one edge is ripped straight. Naka-surface sa dalawang gilid at isang gilid o S3S ang board ay pinalabas muna ang S2S, pagkatapos ay ang isang gilid ay napunit ng tuwid. Rough lumber unplanned and usually pass exact dimension in T, W, L. Magaspang na tabla hindi planado at kadalasang pumasa sa eksaktong sukat sa T, W, L. Surfaced lumber planed lumber is usually lessened in actual size by about 3/8 of an inch. Naka-surface na tabla ang nakaplanong tabla ay kadalasang nababawasan sa aktwal na sukat ng humigit kumulang 3/8 ng 1 pulgada. Prices of lumber range according to the following. Mga presyo ng hanay ng kahoy ayon sa mga sumusunod. Types of wood. Mga uri ng kahoy. Dimensions. Mga sukat. Grades of lumber either sun-dried, air-dried, or kiln-dried. Mga grado ng tabla alinman sa sun-dried, air-dried, o kiln-dried. Basic consideration of the quality of work done. Pangunahing pagsasaalang-alang sa kalidad ng trabaho. Quality of wood selected. Napili ang kalidad ng kahoy. The design of the project. Ang disenyo ng proyekto. The skill and basic processes involved in making the project. Ang kasanayan at mga pangunahing proseso na kasangkot sa paggawa ng proyekto. Wood preparation. Paghahanda ng kahoy. Seasoning the process of drying the wood in preparation for use. Seasoning ang proseso ng pagpapatuyo ng kahoy bilang paghahanda sa paggamit. Finishing. Pagtatapos. Seasoning. Pampalasa. The process of drying the wood in preparation for use. Ang proseso ng pagpapatuyo ng kahoy bilang paghahanda sa paggamit. Air seasoning, sun-dried, filling the wood in open air. Air seasoning, sun-dried, pagpuno ng kahoy sa bukas na hangin. Kiln seasoning, kiln-dried, the use of oven to dry wood. Kiln seasoning, kiln-dried, ang paggamit ng oven sa pagpapatuyo ng kahoy. Treated use of chemical compound before seasoning. Ginagamot paggamit ng chemical compound bago ang panampla. Approximate moisture content of drying hardwood for home furniture are. Tinatayang moisture content ng pagpapatuyo ng hardwood para sa mga kasangkapan sa bahay ay 20% for softwood. 20% para sa softwood. 6-12% for hardwood. 6-12% para sa hardwood.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on Lecture Note 4, Technology and Livelihood Education. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.